Yet the intention to make amends and to do so in a concrete way is essential for the process of reconciliation and a return to peace of heart. The beauty of asking forgiveness. Good intentions are not enough. There has to be an inward desire that finds expression in our outward actions. Reparation, if it is to be Christian, to touch the offended person's heart and not be a simple act of commutative justice, presupposes two demanding things: acknowledging our guilt and asking forgiveness. It is from the honest acknowledgement of the wrong done to our brother or sister, and from the profound and sincere realization that love has been compromised, that the desire to make amends arises.